Hello, this message is for Alvaro and everyone that is supporting him. I believe that we are citizens of this world and citizenship shouldn't be like that difficult for someone to acquire, especially like Alvaro, since he's been struggling since he's 11, 12 years old. I strongly believe that he deserves to stay in Canada, he deserves to become a Canadian, he deserves an opportunity to live a life with dignity, and I think that if the government allows him to stay, the government will be doing the right thing, and this is going to be a precedent that we need to continue fighting, we need to continue work to build a community of everyone, because we are all one, regardless of your sexual orientation, regardless of your identity or gender or background. It doesn't matter. We are all one human rights, and we all should be supporting each other.